Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are at a spot that we have not been in, I feel like, a couple months, and that is Walgreens. The reason I have not been at Walgreens in a couple months is because I needed a Walgreens break, you guys. They've been having some fire deals. Last week with the Dove was fire. But you guys, I just still needed a break from Walgreens because it takes so much energy for me to coupon at this store. But after a couple months off, I am finally ready to jump back into it. And we got some decent stuff going on this week. So the majority of my shopping at Walgreens this week has actually been online. So I have a cart full already from an online order that I have already picked up, you guys. I have 3 full bags over there, and I will show you that online order because it was beautiful. But I'm gonna walk you through the deals that I did online in store because it's easier that way. But when I show you this online breakdown, you're gonna see just how good the online deals are this week. So one of the reasons I was super excited about coming back to Walgreens this week is because yesterday we had this $5 point booster pop up on many of our accounts. It was $5 when you spend $5. And I was like, oh my goodness, a free $5, that's my sign to go back to Walgreens. But when I woke up this morning, y'all, they had pulled the $5 point booster from our accounts. It was missing in action. But I did hit up Walgreens customer service on the chat and I asked them, hey, what happened to the $5 point booster? I had a really nice customer service rep who was like, pretty much they released that booster in error and had to pull it back, but she was kind enough to give me the $5 anyway. So you guys, she gave me the $5 without me even having to come into the store or shop. She was just like, I'll give you the $5, just give me your info. And just like that, I had the free $5. So I'm definitely going to spend that free $5 today. And then I went on ahead and I hit them up from my second account that I had loaded that $5 digital on, and I did the same thing. Now that rep told me that I needed to come into the store and make a $5 purchase, and then they would give me the $5 credit. So I'm gonna do that today as well and do that $5 purchase to get back that additional $5. So if you did download that $5 booster, don't give up on it just yet. Definitely hit them up, especially if you have made a $5 purchase, and see about your money. So this first deal actually worked out much better for me online. I was able to stock up in a major way, but it is a pretty good deal in store too. So I want to give you the breakdown both ways. So in store, the Softsoap body wash is $3.99, and then when you buy 2, you are going to get back $5 in Walgreens Cash. We have a $1 digital coupon that you can use on 1 bottle, and then we also have 75-cent printable coupons on the Softsoap website. Using both of those, you're going to pay $6.23 at the register, but then you're going to get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, and you can use Walgreens Cash to pay. So that'll make it $1.23 or 61 cents per bottle. The next freebie that I picked up was on the Colgate product. So I picked up 1 Colgate toothpaste and 1 of the mouth rinse. They're on sale for $3.99, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens Cash. We have $2 digital coupons on both products. They're going to leave you to pay $3.98 and then get $4 back, making both of them completely free. One deal that I wanted to do, but I won't be doing because the register reward is not printing out on my store, is on the Tide. So the Tide is a really good deal this week, even though the price is going up. But let me tell you how I would do this deal if I was able to do it. So on this Tide promotion, these products are $5.49 each. And then when you buy 4 of them, you're gonna get back a $6 register reward. So you can mix and match with different products on this deal if you want to switch up your coupons. So you can get like 1 or 2 bottles of Tide liquid, use 1 printable, use one of the insert versions. You could get a couple of the Tide and do the same thing, the Tide pods. Use 1 printable, use 1 insert version. I'm just gonna get 4 of the liquids, and that's gonna total me up to $21.96. So $21.96, I'm gonna use a total of 4 of these coupons from our P&G. We also have printable versions of these coupons. That's going to give me $8 in coupon savings, so I'll pay $13.96 at the register, and I am going to use points to pay. But then I should get back a $6 register reward, which will make my final cost $7.96 for all four of them, or $1.99 each. This next deal, Walgreens did cancel off of my order, but it's still a really good deal if you are able to do it. So I ordered two of the Neutrogena bars online. Online, they come out to $3.49, buy one, get one 50% off. So two of them are going to total you up to $5.23. We do have a $5 off of two digital coupon that works, making two of these bars only 23 cents. So what I decided to use my free $5 on is the Scott toilet paper. So these are buy one, get one 50% off. So two of them are going to cost us $7.50. I do have two 85-cent printable coupons that I printed from the Scott website that we are going to use. And I'm also going to get some points back from Fetch Rewards. So after my coupons and the buy one, get one 50% off sale, my total for two packages of these would be $5.80. But I'm going to use that free $5 in Walgreens Cash. That's going to make it just 80 cents for two. And here's my receipt for that transaction. This was my only in-store deal right here. These came out to just 80 cents plus tax after I used that free $5. Something else that was canceled off of my online order was my Revlon. So this was a really good deal with my $10 off of three digital coupon. So these are buy two, get one free online as well. So three of these products totaled me up to about $11.98. I used that $10 digital coupon to get all three for just $1.98. So this Zantac is a deal that I have not reviewed yet. So this was $7.79 after I used a $3 IVC store coupon. And we also have a $3 digital coupon. So after both of those coupons, this ends up being $4.79. But then you want to submit back to Ibotta for $3 in cash back as well. It makes this item cost only $1.79. So here is my online order, you guys, and as you can see, I ordered a lot of Softsoap body wash. Now, the reason I ordered so much Softsoap body wash is because we have an online promo code FUN20, where if you spend over $80, you will get 20% off. So I wanted to stack those savings with the Softsoap deal that is buy two, get back 5,000 points. Now, in order to get my total up to $80, I had to add some items to my transaction, which is why you see the Baby Ruth, the Colgate, and the Zantac. And I also had to add that Revlon and Neutrogena that was canceled off of my order. But let me show you how this worked out. So here is a close-up of my receipt for this online pickup. So my subtotal after all of my coupons and that promo code came up to $62.24 plus tax. And so I ended up paying $12.24 after rolling $50 in Walgreens Cash for this order. So here's a written breakdown of how my transaction worked out. So after I got back everything for this transaction, I got back $40 in Walgreens Cash for the Softsoap, $4 for the Colgate. I also got back $6 for the Baby Ruth. Those were $4, and I submitted back to Swag Bucks for $6, but they have pulled that rebate on Swag Bucks, so don't do that piece of this deal. You don't have to do it. Don't do that piece of this deal because it is now dead. The Zantac is still alive and well, and then I also got back $5 from my point booster. That gave me back $58 back for this deal, making my final cost $4.24. So I paid out $12.24, but I got back $9 from the rebate apps, and we also got back $49 in Walgreens Cash for this deal. So I thought that was pretty good. So we paid $4.24 for a total of 23 items, making all of these items about 18 cents each. Now in my breakdown, I have 16 bottles of the body wash, but I was inspired to do this deal by a post that I saw on Facebook, and the person had 20 bottles of body wash. Now I wasn't able to do 20 bottles because my store didn't even have the 20 bottles in stock. So I went ahead and did 16 and just tweaked it the way that you just saw. But if your store does have 20 bottles, or if you want to do like a ship to home order, here's an alternate breakdown using 20 bottles of the body wash. If you have that $50 in Walgreens Cash to roll, you can just do 20 bottles of the body wash into Colgate, and that works out pretty good with the Fun 20 promo code as well. So that's just another idea for you to get stocked up on body wash if you need it. So that is it for me for Walgreens this week. This was the week where I was just trying to get my feet wet once again in the Walgreens game, and I think we did pretty good to get stocked up on all of these items. So let me know what you have already grabbed at Walgreens this week, or what you plan on grabbing at Walgreens this week. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye.